What type of nonfiction book is the best for creating authority and leadership in your niche? Well, that's a question that's just come through, so I am going to answer it in this video today. So stay close, stay tuned, and let's see which of these, the transformation guide or the message-based manifesto or the memoir with a mission, which of these best suits you and the book that you are best placed to write. Okay, so let's start first and foremost with the transformation guide. All right, this is typically the book that you will find being written by your strategists, your coaches, and this is your typical self-help type book or a guide that equips your audience with your proven systems, your frameworks, your tools to achieve whatever the outcome is that you help them to achieve, all right? This is best for our coaches, our consultants, and our educators with proven frameworks and proven results. Now, this book here is one of my clients' books, and it is slightly different to the typical self-help book. It's called Packing for Your Final Journey by Bint Hassan. And she wrote this book. It is actually a Muslim's end-of-life guide. So it's your guide to living purposefully and dying prepared. So it's a guide, right? And it takes you through step by step how to prepare for your death, both in a spiritual sense and in a practical sense. So this is a book that promises an outcome and delivers on that outcome through a proven framework, through a step-by-step approach. So if, for example, you are somebody who helps people with estate planning, for example, this is the type of book that you could write. How can a person ensure that when they pass away, they are fully prepared? What is your step-by-step process? What are the tools that you use with your clients? What are the frameworks that you can offer them for how to think through this journey and how to plan everything properly? That would be an amazing book for you if that is the type of outcome that you help your clients achieve. So again, coaches, consultants, anybody who's teaching some type of process, the transformation guide is a great one for you. Let's move now to the memoir with a mission. I'm going to share with you a book that you may not be familiar with by one of my favorite online entrepreneurs, Pat Flynn. And this is his book, Let Go: How to Transform Moments of Panic into a Life of Profit and Purpose. And one of the reasons why I love this book, this is not your typical self-help book. It's not even your typical memoir, to be honest. It's a beautiful hardback book. It's illustrated in color inside. It's gorgeous. And it was part of a very successful Kickstarter campaign, which Pat Flynn can do because he has a massive audience that he has built over the years. But this book fits in with our story-led leader archetype. Now, who is the story-led leader? This is the leader, the expert, the speaker who has a story that has led him to who he is today, to what he has been able to achieve. His story is motivating, it is inspiring, and it resonates with people the world over. That's Pat Flynn and a lot of other people I'm sure you can think of. And so what this looks like, this type of book is a compelling account of your journey. It's much more personal, it's much more story-led, right? It's built around a theme or a pivotal experience. In Pat Flynn's case, it is when he was let go from the job that he thought was his life's work, right? And that was his pivotal moment, the beginning of his hero's journey, all right? And that is what led him to build the business and life that he's built today. And so your story-led book, your memoir with a mission, is going to retell that story, to recount that story, and is crafted very carefully to inspire and connect with readers, okay, to resonate with readers and inspire them. So our influencers, our founders, our speakers, our scholars, this is a fantastic book for you if you've had a unique life path and also if you like telling stories, okay? Memoirs are not great for people who don't enjoy telling stories or don't necessarily do them very well, in which case you should probably get a writing coach or somebody who can help you. But if you like the idea of your story being the forefront of the book, and that is what you use to inspire people, then what are you writing? A memoir with a mission. You are now, congratulations, a story-led leader. Okay, so what else do we have here? We have the other style of book that we teach in our program, which is the message-based manifesto. And I'm going to give you an example of The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. You may have heard of this book. It is the 6 habits that will transform your life before 8 a.m. And this is a great example of the movement maker, all right, Hal Elrod is a movement maker. This is a thought leadership book, all right, that challenges readers to think differently and to do differently. And there's always an element of not only changing the way you do things, but joining a movement, joining a cause, all right? This book is built around your bold ideas, your principles, your frameworks, and your vision for change. Okay, this book is ideal for, again, our scholars, our speakers, podcasters, anybody who has a unique take on life, right? And positions themselves as a thought leader, somebody who challenges the way that people think or the way that people do things. Congratulations, you are a movement maker. And the best way for you to share your message in a way that will build your brand and power your purpose is with the message-based manifesto. So, I don't know whether any of these resonated with you. Hopefully some of them did, but I would like to invite you to click on the link in the description to take our quiz, because our quiz will walk you through a set of questions about who you are, what you like to do, your strengths, your weaknesses, the impact you want to have in the world, and then we'll suggest to you the best type of book, the book that suits you and your message and your audience perfectly, and then we'll give you a little bit of guidance on how to actually go ahead and write that book. So if that sounds like something that would be helpful to you, just look at the link in the description, click on it, and let us know how your quiz results. For the rest of you who are here watching or listening, please do comment what stood out for you. What is your favorite transformation guide or memoir with a mission or message-based manifesto? I'd love to see what you have to share in the comments. In the meantime, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss a single one of these episodes. I'll see you on the next one, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.